If you have tried everything from skin whitening creams to expensive gels and serums, but nothing has got you the desired fairness, then maybe it is time to try something natural. If you want long-lasting fairness and visible results, then let's talk about the natural ingredients that are known for their skin lightening benefits, hence making them the perfect glowing skin secrets. Here are the best tried and tested home remedies for fairer skin. Potato, honey and rose water. Grate a small raw potato and mix with 1 teaspoon of honey and a few drops of rose water. Apply all over face and neck and leave on for 20 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. You can safely use this potato pack on alternate days as a part of home remedies for fair skin. How to become fair naturally finally has an answer. Lemon juice and yogurt. The perfect remedy about how to make face glow and fair at home for oily skins. Mix together 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Apply all over face for 15 minutes. Apply a little water on your face and gently massage into skin before rinsing with cool water. This is the most effective natural remedies for glowing skin. Do this twice a week for best results. Milk and honey. One of the best fairness tips for dry skin, since honey adds a lot of moisture. Mix together 1 tablespoon each of milk and honey and apply on clean face. Rub into skin with gentle circular motions, leave to dry and rinse off with water after 15 minutes. This is one of the best home remedies for glowing face. Repeat daily for best results. Sandalwood powder, cucumber and rose water. Mix together 1 tablespoon each of sandalwood powder, grated cucumber and rose water. Apply on your face and leave to dry for 15 minutes. A paste. Sandalwood powder lightens age spots, blemishes, and pigmentation. This is an excellent cooling face pack and works wonders on oily, sensitive skins as well. Repeat twice a week. Thank you for watching.